welcome back. So, what I've decided to do for the wisdom wall was to do an exam week FlipGrid. So, something that I usually like to do during exam week, because I allow the exam to be open all week long to help students who need extra time, So what I normally do is this in a discussion board, but once again, we'll kind of see which version I like better in terms of grading or something like that. So I have that there. Okay. Oops. I'm going to try Google. I'll try Microsoft. Okay. So this time I realized that you can actually, kind of add a media thing here on the side, which is where you would have instructions. So I'll fix that on my other video. So what I want them to do is essentially take some time to reflect on what they do to prepare for their exam, whether it's, writing notes or doing, Quizlet or flashcards, whatever. I want them to describe how they helped prepare. So then other students can learn from them. So, or if they already took the exam, share something that they still did, or maybe it wasn't helpful, so that students can consider that as well. And then after they've shared their experience, I want them to reply to at least one of their classmates. And I do also encourage them to view more than one video, because you're likely to learn a thing or two. So here's that in my own other words. Hi friends. So for this week's assignment, we are going to be once again using FlipGrid. Hopefully you've had a decent experience with it so far. But what I want you to do this week is to reflect on how you prepare for an exam. So maybe you use flashcards, maybe you use Quizlet, maybe you make yourself a little Kahoot game or something like that. Or maybe you simply just rewatch the videos and rewrite down all of your notes. But what I would love for you to do is to share what you do. And if you've already taken the exam, then maybe share if that strategy was helpful at all. Maybe this is the first time you've taken a science class in a while, so maybe your previous study techniques simply just didn't happen, or didn't happen to work very well, even though, we're all different, right? So what I would love for you to do after you record your own response is to just go back and reply to at least one person's response, though I heavily encourage you to look at several different videos from several different students, because again, we all learn things differently. We all absorb information in a different manner. So, but yeah, you're only required to reply to one person. Okay, if you have any questions, please, of course, reach out to me. Highly recommend having a decent Wi-Fi connection for using this resource. If you're having any issues, please let me know. Okay, good luck. Okay, so that is that. And let me make sure that I got all the aspects of the thing. Okie dokie. Well, with that, thank you so much, as usual.